Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 best ZULUTRADE Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Coming in first at number 5 on the list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative account balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live stream, and free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 4, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another great online fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Hot Forex's accounts feature Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, Auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, lower minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars, which you can sign up to at any time you like. Coming in at number 3, we have Alpari. Alpari is another great globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Alpari's accounts feature Forex Standard, Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, floating and fixed spreads, swap-free options, and more. Alpari also provides their very own beginner's guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 2 on the list, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. FPMarkets accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable base currency options, metals, indices, and commodities. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library and a few ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies. And finally, at number 1 on the list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Avatrade's accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of great educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides great educational services which cover in-depth trading guides that delve into professional trading techniques, economic indicators, and various educational trading methods and topics for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won a variety of trading awards such as the #1 broker, the most innovative CFD broker, the best affiliate program, most trustworthy broker, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best ZULUTRADE Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.